experienced the ice cave slide, the glacial canyon, and even drank the cool, sweet glacial meltwater. 20251113 M7:50, The weather was great that day, and the guide was very welcoming and even gave instructions on posing for photos. It was definitely worth it. Our session was at 7:50, and we had to meet at 7:30. I thought it would be cold, but it wasn't, and number 39, T. Climbing up and down, I was sweating. The event was very safe, the staff explained everything very clearly, and they even provided warm clothing, shoes, socks, and a backpack, no need to bring your own. It was truly thoughtful. It was my first time taking a helicopter and hiking on a glacier. Fortunately, the weather was great and the trip went smoothly. It was a trip that was definitely worth experiencing. Check-in. Nice. It was very interesting and the scenery was very spectacular. The pictures taken with a mobile phone were far less beautiful than what you see with your eyes. You can also experience a helicopter ride, which is a very worthwhile trip. All the staff I came into contact with were very enthusiastic and provided full emotional value. The scenery was beautiful and the glacier hiking process was also very fun and lively. Our tour guide was very young, handsome and humorous, which added a lot of fun. The glacier hike was super cool. Helicopter rides to mid-level glaciers were also a unique experience. The glaciers were stunning. The glacier hike was super cool. Helicopter rides to mid-level glaciers were also a unique experience. The glaciers were stunning. The counter staff and tour guides are very friendly and suggest reserving 2 days in case of weather changes. It's really cool to actually step onto the glacier. The glacier continues to retreat every year and you really have to experience it as soon as possible. It looks flat, but there are actually many different terrains hidden in it. You can experience a lot of ways to play by following the tour guide. It's highly recommended. If you travel to New Zealand, you must go there.